With UNICTECH Body Slim 4.4, this device will allow you to perform that personal training at home, comfortably lying on the sofa or in your bed, and thus work the specific areas of your body. UNICTECH Body Slim 4.4 has 4 microcurrent technologies to tone and sculpt. It has a slim technology to burn accumulated fat in specific areas, and it has radiofrequency to reduce that unpleasant cellulite. Additionally, we have incorporated for your convenience and to maintain your sessions and the results achieved an all-in-one technology that will allow you to combine all these technologies to perform those maintenance sessions. UNICTECH Body Slim 4.4 is a device that necessarily requires the use of our UNICTECH Body Slim Maxon 4.4 gel because this gel allows the conduction of the microcurrents of the slim technology and also of the radiofrequency. UNICTECH Body Slim Action 4.4 is a water-based gel that will allow the conduction of the currents that pass through these plates. UNICTECH Body Slim Action 4.4 is also a reducing and anti-cellulite gel that will allow you, in addition to using it with the UNICTECH Body 4.4 sessions, to reduce your silhouette and maintain it throughout the year.